I've got a new toy. Welcome back to the channel. Silky BigBoy 2000 Professional. So let's have a look at it cutting, and then we'll put all the technical stuff at the end.
Every time I think I'm gonna wake up back in the jungle. Every time I think I'm gonna wake up back in the jungle.
It's not going to be a long look at this and review, but it's just going to have all the what it can do and how much effort I'm using. This is a pull saw, so on the pull stroke it cuts and on the forward stroke it glides over.
Like that, Paul?
It feels like it's going through rotten wood, even though I don't think this is.
How flimsy is it?
I haven't had any flimsiness. Silky smooth.
Silky,
Well, the reason it's really smooth and everything, it's got a nice grind on it. The back of the spine is thinner than the cutting edge, so it can't get pinched in the bite. Just cut from the pull, so you don't want to put any pressure on pushing it, and it effortlessly cut through. I mean, this is about 3.5, 4 inch.
That's looking good. A little bit damp on the last It's supposed to rain tonight. The 5-man set, so it sleeps 4 and the 5th guy is supposed to be on firewood.
This saw cut's lovely. It's a really nice cut. This is about 4 inches. Feels like a really nice action from the cut. Glides through. It's hard to see, but that isn't the same size as the hole. This is a thinner spine. Really nice saw. Silky BigBoy 2000 Professional. 6.5 teeth in 30mm. 5.5 teeth per inch. It's the extra large teeth. This isn't the easiest angles to cut, but this is gliding through. I snap the ends, I just don't want anything to pinch the blade into the end. Put all the pressure, if you're going to put any pressure on the pull stroke. All the forward stroke does is clear the cut. Get a nice rhythm going, a nice gentle flow, but no hardcore mentalness, because you're just going to break your blade. Let the saw cut. This log's getting progressively thicker. This is flying through it. Look how big that is. That's got to be that way. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, it's 4 inch. I'm not even getting that tired. I'm getting a bit warm. If you're using a survival situation, you'd snap these, you wouldn't cut right through, save energy. Which it is snappy if I bashed it, but I don't like the camera. Oh yeah, that's a push-pull saw. Right, so we're going to do a saw off against Dave and his giant saw. So what I'm looking at, I suppose, is time.
Peter, have you got your watch? Phone?
Ready?
Yeah, mark.
I'm going to start.
Oh, wait.
I'll start here and then you can cut it a bit down. It's the same width.
Yeah.
Ready?
Yeah.
Stop.
So that was 10 seconds 47.
10 seconds 47. Now Dave's going to cut this one. There. Tell me when you're ready.
Right. And mark, set, go. Oh,
The Mega Boy.
it's got to go on top. It's not going to get any. Right, start again. That would do, but that's better.
Hang on then, let me stop
With
it.
your-
Right, Dave, take 2, the Mega Boy.
Right.
Go. It's doing alright, it's on a push and pull, innit?
I can't get any. That's right, it's hitting on there, isn't it?
A little bit.
Better come and stand on this end. So it's got moving.
The Mega Boy. Surely it's a 2-man saw.
It is. Stand on there. Your legs either side of it.
What?
Just hold it in between your legs.
What are you on about?
Right.
Watch your hand, Bert. If he slips out, it's cutting your hand off.
Hey, you're not holding it. No, I give up on that.
Alright, I'll stop it. It's only
The Chuckle Brothers. No, it's failed.
1 minute 32 and 52 hundredths.
Right, we're going to do it on that one.
No, mine won't cut through that log. It's not rotten wood, it's dry wood. Come on Dave, go have a go with this saw. It'll blow your mind. Silky BigBoy, not BigBoy, it's a gom handle, Silky BigBoy. It's unbelievable, it's like knife through butter. Well, I think that concludes it. I'll put in all the specs and some photos and that, and I would recommend this saw. It's brilliant. Thanks a lot, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the like and all that goodness. See you on the next one. Bye bye.